Hi.
Hello, I usually have just regular black coffee, right? But to like recommend, I'm feeling coffee that not too sweet, but has oat milk in it.
Oat hazelnut latte. Full oat hazelnut latte. Anything else?
Is it very sweet?
No, it's not.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
So this is what I got. Oat hazelnut latte. So let me try it. $35. It smells nice. That is really good. I don't know much about fancy coffee, but this is so yummy. Let me show you all what my mommy packed for me today. Bacon and aloo and body she made corn roti for me. Corn roti is the best. Look at how it actually swells and everything, and it's just corn, flour and water. Look at it now, so good. Look at this roti. Corn flour, you know guys, corn flour and water. Maybe I'll do a video and show you all how to make this if you never had corn roti. But it's really, it's just like sada roti. So good. Anyway, I have a bride today. I'm at the Dr. Triya Yoga Center. I did some fabulous malas for her. I'm not sure if I'll be here so long to show you all when they garland each other, although I would really love to film it and show you all, but it's really pretty. And she is really pretty. So I'll try my best to show you all some clips in between her bridal transformation, but let's go into the dressing room and I got distracted. Yeah, so let's go into the dressing room and take care of this beautiful bride. Sometimes it might kind of to get to. So it happened. So they after this I could come in and change it to the other outfit. Wow. But the amount of brides they're doing is not. Oh, I know who it is now. She had contacted me to find out, but I think she found it. She found out. She said that it was going to be thrown out. What? Will be thrown out? Yeah, like yeah. And tell us what's thrown out. I think it's ended up in like a whole set of like a pile of stuff or something. Yeah. After this, I can come in and do the set of changes.
Bless both rings. It represents the eternal and never-ending love for each other. Shri Vishnu Bhagwan ki Jai, Shri Devi Lakshmi Mata ki Jai. That is known as a Jaimala wedding, so we have that now. Both the Ragam will stand and face each other. If anyone in this exercise, please stand up again. So you face each other, around his neck. Maulidini Sugandhini Maulidini Maitnabu. Let's give them a big round of applause. Can I give you a little heads up, man? I have a friend here.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you sorry, I always eat up my words. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit that notification. Oh my god, here I go again. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that every time I post a video you will be notified and you won't miss any. I will try my best to mention in the description all the vendors that was hired for this particular wedding, because they did a marvelous job. Some are a lot of familiar faces, people that I love to work with in the industry, so I was very happy. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe.